Alright, Mike Lawson Outdoors. We're going to do a test today, a penetration test to see at 30 yards or 35 yards how far will these pellet guns penetrate through this phone book. And we have right here we have the what's the name of it? Ruger 1000X. That's the name, Tom? We have the Ruger 1000X 177 caliber pellet gun, and then we have the Beeman Rs2 dual caliber pellet gun. It has the 22 caliber barrel on there, and both of these will be shooting Crossman pellet. We got the Crossman pointed pellets 177 caliber for the Ruger, and then for the Beeman we have the Crossman hollow points. Hollow point is not really a good pellet to use as far as penetration testing, but I mean this is a good pellet, it's proven, so I'm gonna try to use this pellet. And we're gonna zoom in to give you a close-up of the rifles. See, we got the Ruger and then we got the Beeman. All right, now we're gonna go ahead with the testing. We're gonna pace off 30 yards, approximately 30 yards. We already have a target set up. We're gonna place it down there. We're gonna take 2 shots a piece, and we're gonna see how far it penetrates. All right. Okay, we got the target set out at approximately 30 to 35 yards. You could just barely see it down there. I'm zooming in. You can see the phone book down there. I'm actually recording this off of my Samsung Galaxy S Epic 4G phone, so the zoom is not that great on it, but it's still a overall good picture on there. And we're gonna shoot it off our makeshift range. We're standing on the front porch right now. And first we'll start off with the Ruger 1000, and then we'll shoot the RS2 Beeman dual caliber. We got our makeshift sniper vantage point shooting off the front porch, but here goes the Ruger 1000. My brother Thomas Lawson is taking a shot, and we're gonna just take one shot, so it'll be no problem telling the difference.
Alright, and now Mike Lawson shooting the Beeman RS 100.
The RS2 dual caliber.
That too.
Alright, now we'll go retrieve the phone book, and we'll see the penetration. Alright, we retrieve the phone book. Now we'll take a look at the penetration to see how far both pellets penetrated. Okay, what we did was we actually taped the phone book closed, because the last time we did this off camera, the pellets actually fell out. You know, the pages opened up when the shot impacted, so I'm gonna take the tape off. And you can see both shots right here. The bigger hole, you can actually tell that it's the 22 caliber, smaller hole 177 caliber. All right, we're gonna open it up. See it good. Backed up, so you should be able to still see it. Alright, they penetrated the first few pages. Have a bigger hole with that 22 caliber. And again, this is at 35 yards, so showing you a good penetration test. Hold on, did we lose that already? No, it's still in there. Still going. 177 on this side, 22 on that side, on the left. Still going. Still going. You can see the 22 undoubtedly made a bigger hole, but come down, it's still going. Still going. Okay, the first pellet we spotted is the 177 caliber, and that's about I say probably about almost a quarter of the way through the phone book. Keep flipping till that pellet actually comes out. Okay, that 177 pellet just came out. Put it right here. We'll do a comparison test at the end. But the hole is still coming through. I mean, it's still going, still going, still going. And we see the 22 caliber pellet right here showing up. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, now you can clearly see the back of the 22 and the whole pellet is coming out. Okay, now you see that 22 caliber pellet. These pellets are hollow point is designed to mushroom, so you know you got a little bit of mushroom going on like that. It's still making a big wound channel going into the phone book itself. And you can see that the damage continues to go on and on through this phone book from both pellets actually. Let's see, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. You can see the 177 caliber is lightening up on the damage. It still has broken through a little bit, but it's coming to the end of the damage on the 177 side. Okay, keep going. All right, that's the last page, that last little mark. That's the last damage that the 177 caliber pellet has done. And we can look on this side, the right side, we're still having split pages. So the 22's damage, or it keeps going on and on. You tell that 22 caliber pellet travels with more energy, and you know the damage keeps going on and on. All the way to, yeah, that page is split. That's the last page right there. So the damage, say that 22 caliber, the damage all the way to the halfway point. It's probably over half of a thin phone book like this. So I don't think that's bad at all at 35 yards. And the 177 caliber, it did almost the same. I'm halfway through the phone book. So, you know, the wound channel was smaller with the 177 caliber, but you know, they still both went halfway through the phone book. You can see the different sizes of those pellets. How the 177 smushes down. It's a pointed pellet, so you know that's what that looks like. And then you can see the 22 caliber pellets. You can really see the differences in those pellets. One good thing is that 22 caliber pellet is bigger, and it'll make a bigger wound channel going into whatever, if you're hunting and stuff like that, going into the game that you're hunting. And another reason I did this test was a lot of people, bring it back up. A lot of people think that a pellet gun is not, you shouldn't go beyond 30 yards shooting game, like small game, rabbits, squirrels, anything like that, because the energy drops off and you don't get penetration. But I mean, this test shows you with decent pellet guns that you can take a pellet gun out of Walmart or something that probably shoots with 15 pounds of energy, and you can still get good penetration out at 30 to 35 yards. So if you can get a decent 30 to 35 yard headshot, that animal is going down. Whether it be, definitely a squirrel will go down, rabbit will go down, possum, a good headshot probably will go down. I mean, it opens the door up to like, probably, it might take a raccoon, but I don't know. You have to pinpoint accuracy on their ear shots or something like that. But if the Europeans can do it with 12 foot-pound limit on their gun out to I've seen some on YouTube out to 40 to 50 yards, then we can definitely do it on our pellet guns that come from Walmart with approximately like 15 to 16 pounds of energy on there. They should be good enough to go out to 40 to 45 yards with some good headshots on there. So I'm going to buy the pointed version of the Crossman Premiers. I'm buy the pointed version and see if I can get some more penetration on those. And with that 22 caliber version, it's still carrying the same energy, but it should penetrate more. But I hope you like this test. Subscribe, like it if you like it. Thank you, Lawson Outdoors. We out.